boxing. As for Mindoro, who bulldozed his man back to the ropes and lands with a right cross. Clever boxing out of the corner from Camilleri, who remained responsible. But now he's beginning to be teed off upon by Mindoro. Is this a stoppage? Briefly strikes the referee, wipes the gloves clean, and he's walked onto a shot, which was an uppercut. It'll be a long 90 seconds. Camilleri on the ropes above our commentary position, bobbing and weaving, trying to hold off, taking a right uppercut, and the towel has come in from Dino Billinghurst. Right.
You absolutely do, and we were wondering.
Matapos ang kanyang nakakapangilabot na knockout victory noong buwan ng Nobyembre, ay ngayon naman ay isa na namang napaka-impresibong knockout na panalo ang naitala nitong ating pambato sa middleweight division na si Wiljon the Triggerman Mindoro. Nangyari na nga kagabi ang inaabangang laban nitong ating kababayan kontra sa isang matibay na boksingerong si Joel Camilleri ng bansang Australia. Naganap ang bakbakan ng dalawa doon sa Dubai para sa bakanting titulo ng IBA World Championship ng middleweight division. Napakabigati ng event na ito dahil dinaluhan lang naman ito ng ilan sa mga bigating pangalan sa larangan. Gaya nila Terence Bud Crawford, Arthur Beterbiev, ang nag-iisang 8th Division World Champion na si pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. Narito at ating panuurin ang highlights ng laban ni Wiljon Mindoro kontra Joel Camilleri, kung saan ay dinurog ng ating pambato itong matibay at makunat na boksingero. Pero bago yan, don't forget to like and subscribe sana mga sir. Salamat. Sa pagsisimula ng laban ay pinatikim na kaagad ni Mindoro sa kalaban niya ang bagsik ng kanyang mga kamao, kung saan ay halatang nasaktan nga sa mga suntok ng ating pambato itong makunat na Australiano.
Against the ropes, bringing square, and then he did get through the power driving right cross and unloads a couple of punches to the body, left hook after turning the tables. Lanta comes with that power. Arthur Beterbiev, professionally as a reigning world champion, he knows a thing or two about power, but not loading up everything within his shape. Right hand to the body, followed by left hook upstairs from Camilleri. Mindoro backing his man across the ropes with a forward foray, but keeping his composure under fire and answering with a single. Oh, what a beautiful leg of sight of Mindoro. Around the kneecap, just cracked right into his face, finished just above our commentary position. Approaching the halfway stage with an overhand right from Camilleri was expected his shot. Quick-footed with his advances, trying to close the gap. Seems a knockout artist. Camilleri goes by the nickname of Kama KO, 14 wins. Up to 29, coming via the short route, remember, and there's that disruptive left hand. Again, dynamic figure up in the boxing ring as they slowly navigate of Camilleri. Just
In the second round that he had in the first, where Mindoro got on top of him a little bit. So that kind of wind that was in the sails of Mindoro at the end of the first, he's taken it back.
Sa mga sumunod na round ay mas madiliin na pag-atake ang pinapakawalan ng ating kababayan na mas lalong iniinda ng kanyang kalabang Australian.
A lot of punches going, a couple of the body shots did get through, followed by a flashing right uppercut. In his own corner is Camilleri, keen to try and fashion a finish, but then just, oh beautiful, two-shot salvo to the body from Mindoro. Perhaps he's got real leverage onto his shots, but now it's Camilleri walking down the knockout artist, and he's seeing away to the body. Sometimes the puncher's instinct can be a professional career to this point. Having made his debut in 2019, Camilleri with a cuffing right hand and then tying his man up to waltzing back to the space in centre wing is boxing a clever physical contest. Left-right combination of offering the half-cover guard. There he fires an overhand right. The left hook which followed may have glanced the nose of Mindoro after the right hand was inaccurate. Clocking up the miles on his fistic odometer as he glides around the perimeter of the ring. Camilleri, Mindoro. Again, when Andy and I were observing him work out at the Rocky Road Gym, as a flashing left-right combination catches the advancing Mindoro. Walked his man down, but Kama landed with the inside of the glove, and then an altogether cleaner right hand, and another one from Camilleri, followed by left hook, boxing beautifully off the ropes, as Mindoro tries to respond with a right uppercut of his own, but he's just got
At sa pang-apat na round ay dito na napuruhan ni Mindoro ang kalaban niya. Halatang nasaktan ito kaya naman binigyan siya ng standing 8 counts ng referee.
He's beginning to be teed off upon by Mindoro. Is this a stoppage? No, it's a standing count. So, referee Valerie Pass.
At sa pagkakataong ito ay nagmistulang pating na itong si Wiljon Mindoro na nakaamoy ng dugo kaya naman walang humpay na pag-atake ang kanyang ginawa upang tapusin na ang kanyang kalaban.
But then a right-handed response from Camilleri. But Mindoro really is finding the range on his punches now and wearing all of them flush. Is Camilleri. He's ensured a torrid minute and 10 seconds so far. He's taken a standing count. Back into the breach. Steps Mindoro. Senses that he's got his man going. He's wrestled him down to the canvas. That gives him some brief respite. The referee wipes his gloves clean and he's walked onto a shot, which was an uppercut, which sends Camilleri to the canvas to take the second count of the round. There's still a minute and a half to go in round number 4, and against the finisher like Mindoro, that could well be a long 90 seconds. Camilleri on the ropes above our commentary position, walking and weaving, trying to hold off, but he's taken a right uppercut and the towel has come in.
Panalo ang Pinoy na si Wiljon Mindoro sa pamamagitan ng 4th round technical knockout.
Weren't we in between rounds?
Pagkatapos ng laban ay namangha na lamang dahil sa sobrang lakas ng mga kamao ng Pinoy itong kalaban niyang si Joel Camilleri, kung saan ay hinalintulad pa niya itong ating kababayan sa isang mock truck.
So it wasn't the way obviously I wanted the fight to turn out. He hit like a Mack truck. I couldn't find my legs. Obviously it was the right stoppage. You know, some people saying it wasn't, but honestly my legs were gone. I'm trying to stand up and I was falling down. I caught him and he grabbed me and I had him then, but he punched like a mule and I was avoiding it at the start. I could feel how hard he hit. He caught me, legs were gone. You know, if he caught me again, I probably could have been hurt. So that's boxing, that's life. I'll be back, but for now it's going to rest up. Thanks for all the support and I'll speak to you guys all soon. Peace.
So yun lamang ang video natin sa araw na to. Mag-iwan lamang na inyong komento at huwag mo sana kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. At i-share na rin ang ating video. At muli, daghang salamat.